CryptoFXIndexMarket.com review as per request by one of my viewers. Can you guys earn passive income with this Forex passive income opportunity or not? Anyways, all of that and more coming up in just a moment. Stay tuned. Welcome to the channel. On this channel, what I do most of the time, as per request by my viewers, is I review income opportunities, systems, platforms, even training products. Okay, if it's make money online info that you're after, find the big red button and subscribe, and also click on the bell notification icon over here. Just find it wherever the heck you are on YouTube, and that way you won't miss out on any important info. Okay, every time I upload, and I usually upload, I would say almost daily, people ask me to review stuff. Okay, sometimes, I would say most of the time, in the things that people ask me to review, especially with these investment platforms, usually turns out to be investment scams. Okay, so you can also potentially steer yourself away from getting ripped off really bad. Some people lose thousands and thousands of dollars with some of these platforms. Okay, so make sure to subscribe. Also, at any time throughout this video, if you are looking for a legal, lucrative, and legitimate way to help you create a full-time income online, not through investing, the stuff that's open to the masses, what I'm seeing in investment-wise, are usually Ponzi schemes created by anonymous people. Okay, and usually ends in exit scam. I don't promote those kind of things. What I do is share platforms that can offer people value-based experiences online. Okay, so get access to a powerful opportunity. My number one recommended way to earn a full-time income online. Just go underneath this video at any time, click on the first link in the description box below to get access. So this is CryptoIndexMarket.com. Okay, before I get into the plans that they have, basically in a nutshell, they're claiming to be a Forex broker. Okay, this is the contact us form. They just have a form. I'm not seeing any phone number, and then they have a an email address, support@CryptoFXIndexMarket.com, and then they have an address, 60 Late Street, unit number A, New York, New York. Okay, and then zip code, United States. I looked that address up, couldn't find that name anywhere. I found another company called EMFX Pro Markets, which has nothing to do with this, and they claim to be a financial consultant. Okay, and that is in a different unit. I'm not seeing any unit number A. Okay, so the first thing that's standing out to me is I'm thinking this is an incomplete address. Now let's go to the About Us section. They claim they are 100% trusted trading broker. Futures bright, Crypto FX Index Market, largest Forex and crypto brands around at Crypto FX. So they claim that they're the largest Forex crypto brands around. I'm seeing some broken English here on this website. I also saw a pop-up claims that you guys can get $100 in your account to trade with if you invest the minimum of 500. Okay, I would say be careful with that. Okay, I'll talk about more why I would say something like that in just a moment. So they're not saying who they are. You're dealing with anonymous people. They're claiming that the FX market is one of the largest, blah, blah, blah. Crypto FX market international. We work hard to make sure the best trading and investment decisions are a broad range of services available. Okay, but they're not telling you who they are, and there's no proof that they're actually doing any trading. Go back to the home page here. Before I get into that, I'm going to go back here. This is a who is search on the domain for CryptoFXIndexMarket.com, and it was privately registered November 29th, 2022. So it's a very new website, and it's set to expire in 23. They don't have any DDoS protection enabled. I did a similar web search to measure website traffic, and they don't have any statistics on this website, cryptofxindexmarket.com, meaning that it's probably not much traffic going to their website. The person who asked me to review this opportunity is in the US, okay, and the address that they were showing on the footer of their website was the US. I'm not seeing any registration with the FCA. Sorry, that's the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the SEC, US Securities and Exchange Commission, and this is also the FCA. There are some people in the UK that are going to get pitched by network marketers with this opportunity. They're also not registered with the Canadian regulators as well. What does that mean? That means they're not set up legally to offer the public a return on your investment. They're not licensed to do so. Learn from the best and become professional using our online courses. The only problem is they're not telling you who they are, so you can't really tell if they are the best. Okay. Usually what I'm finding with these systems are usually created by people who are trying to capitalize off of the lust for investing by the masses right now. The masses are head over heels thinking that we can find, lots of opportunities to make money online quick and easy by just clicking a button and funding an account. Okay, but what I'm finding are most people are losing way more than they ever gained. What does that mean? That means in the beginning, if these systems are smart, these anonymous people will try and pay you out your rewards in the beginning to help you deposit the bigger funding. Now it says get free $100 on $500 deposit. Get it now. At the end of the day, you're probably just looking at money on a screen. It's when you're trying to withdraw into your bank account is when you usually run into problems. But if they're smart, they will actually somehow allow you to withdraw, right? That's not hard to let you withdraw some of your earnings. But usually it's just small amounts in the beginning. A lot of people, when they see that kind of thing, they'll put in like the bare minimum. They'll look for opportunities like, we'll put in like $50. With this one here, minimum 500. Some people will put in a minimum 500, see what's going to happen, and wait out, see what happens in a month or so. Oh, well, we got paid an ROI, and then they'll put down like 10,000, and then they get ripped off. Okay. Trusted and regulated, they're not trusted or regulated because we don't know who the heck they are, and they don't have any links to certificates claiming that they're legally registered with the SEC. Okay, very important. Let's go look at the plans here. So you can create a basic starter account, minimum $500 investment. They're promising that they can make you money, multiply your income by using their expertise and services, but they're not telling you who they are. Okay, and the maximum. This one here. I won't go through all the different plans here. We're going to be here all day. The first plan, minimum deposit of 500. The last one here, minimum deposit 10,000. Okay, so basically, in a nutshell, that is how things are working. They're promising you ROI. They're not telling you exactly how much they're promising, but the idea here is to get people into this deal because the person who asked me to review this opportunity or potential scam got pitched an affiliate link into this platform. So they do have a network marketing compensation plan. Okay. Anyways, the first thing that stands out to me, number one, you're dealing with anonymous people. Number two, there's no proof any of this is happening. Okay. All they have on their website is some kind of plugin, right, that's showing you currency pairs. Okay, but this is a plugin. Anyone can get this if you have a website and hosting. It's just a plugin that's just going to show you some actual numbers, but not from actual trading. It's showing you the prices of the different currencies, etc. Okay. I'm also noticing like a lot of stock images here. Some of them are animated. These kind of things you can get from the internet on public domain. Okay, so first thing, number one, anonymous people. Number two, no proof that there's any Forex trading happening here. Number three, there's no proof that they're experts. They might not know anything more than you, than Forex, creating passive income with Forex. Okay. Fourth thing, they're not registered legally to offer you guys a financial opportunity. The fifth thing, if these guys could actually create passive income, meaning multiply their own income, why would they need you, some random stranger online? And more importantly, why would they need a network marketing comp plan? Because the person who asked me to review this did get pitched a link to an affiliate ID that takes people back to this website. So how this platform and platforms like this usually work is they rely on new investment to pay out the older investors. Once recruitment dries up or the system gets shut down by the authorities for whatever reason, it will collapse and exit scam. The anonymous people run off with the lion's share of invested funds. The network marketers promoting these type of systems, they make a little bit of money here and there, but the passive people usually get screwed and end up losing way more than they ever gain. So that's my quick review of crypto, fxindexmarket.com. It looks like another Ponzi scheme. I would say most likely you're going to get scammed. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed this content today. Make sure to subscribe and also click on the bell notification icon, because you might be eyeing another opportunity out there and you want to know, is it legit or is it just another scheme that's going to end up wasting your time? At the end of the day, guys, I don't know how long have you been at this. Online, it took me a whole year before I actually made my first $1,000 online. It wasn't through some type of investment Ponzi scheme. I never invested in those things. I don't promote these kind of things because they always end in exit scam, ripping people off. The kind of investments that are out there that most of you guys want, you don't have access to. The super wealthy elite, they have access to those kind of trades. Okay, they don't open it up to the public because they hoard all of the hot investment opportunities. Unless you're a Rockefeller, then maybe you can get in. Otherwise, everyone else, you're pretty well SOL. Okay, and that is how it works. Anyways, legitimately, there are ways to make money online. There's many different ways to make money online. If you are looking for a powerful platform, right, as I said in a little bit earlier, it took me over a year to make my first $1,000 paycheck online. And that was because I was spinning my wheels, didn't know what the heck I was doing, tried a bunch of different things, didn't even know what the heck they were, until finally I found a platform, plugged into the training, and started becoming consistent. Then I started seeing consistent income returns. Okay, so if that's you right now looking for a legitimate opportunity, go underneath this video, click on the first link below, get access to my website, thepowerhousemarketer.com, and take action there. Anyways, guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care.